Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a daily and weekly planner in ClickUp. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Let's begin with the daily planner template. First, head over to the templates section inside ClickUp. To access this, click on 3 dots of your project and select Template from dropdown, then select Browse Template, and you'll find a variety of categories for ClickUp template. Now, go to the search bar and search for Daily. From the results, select Daily Planner, and then you have to click on Use Template. Now, give your template a name and add it to your workspace. This template comes preloaded with sections like Personal, Work, and Goals, as well as statuses such as Open and Complete to help track your tasks effectively. It also includes list and calendar views for better visualization of your day. One particularly useful feature is the Habit Tracker, which helps you build consistency and monitor your personal growth. Use this template to prioritize tasks, schedule them strategically, and check them off as you go to maintain focus and motivation. Now, let's move to the weekly planner template. Once again, go to the Templates section and search for Weekly, and then select the Weekly Planner template. This one is designed to give you a clear week-at-a-glance view, allowing you to organize your time more strategically. It comes with custom statuses, fields, and both board and calendar views, making it easy to tailor the layout to your personal workflow. Start by setting weekly goals, then break them into smaller tasks and spread them across the week. This way, you can distribute your workload evenly and avoid feeling overwhelmed. By combining the daily and weekly planner templates in ClickUp, you're building a flexible system that supports continuous progress while adapting to your changing priorities. And that's it. So that is how you can create a daily and weekly planner in ClickUp. So that's all for this video. Thanks.